Get ready, watch it.
Bye-bye, car.
Here it comes. There it is, Garrett.
Oh my God!
That's when the driver proceeded to disobey the signal and collide with the oncoming train. Chip Pugh with Operation Lifesaver says too many accidents happen like this.
The horns were blaring and everything.
Donovan captured this video on his smartphone. Another man got a second angle.
Oh, this is not good. This car is about to get crushed.
The car was indeed totaled after being smashed by a CSX freight train. A woman driving this black sedan got stuck on the tracks.
Here he comes.